Yes, good morning, one and all. This is New Rosary School welcomes you to the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October 2020. So here are our kids presenting themselves as the Gandhiji, and they would like to speak a few words on Mahatma Gandhi, the freedom fighter. So let's start with class 5, Sabahat. Sabahat Fatima of class 5 will give a speech on Gandhiji now. Over to you, Sabahat.
Good morning. My name is Sabat Fatima from class 5 of Neurology High School. A great man, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him Bapu. He is the father of our nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He studied in India and England. Gandhi was a good student in his childhood. He became a barrister and went to South Africa. He led the freedom movement. He loved truth and himself. He was shot dead on 30 January 1948. India can never him forget. Thank you.
Very good, Sabahat. You could do it you have shown the level. You can express what you are reading. You have shown that you have understood it also. Clap for Sabahat, everyone.
Thank you, Sabahat, so much. Very good. Now I would like Fayaz Ahmed of class 5 to speak a few words on Gandhiji.
Good morning. My name is Faiz Ahmed Khan from class 5. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most recognized personalities of 20th century. He was born in 1869. He was named Mahatma, which means great soul, after his death 1948. Thank you.
Very good job, Fayaz. Good. Keep it up.
Very good,
Very good,
Fayaz. Yes. Now I would like Romana Khan of class 5. Romana Khan of class 5. Please give your speech, Beta.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Zumana Khan. I am studying class 5. Today we are here to celebrate of Mahatma Gandhi. Our national festival is Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi is father of your national, and he was born on 2nd October 1869 in city of Porbandar. He
Yes, Romana Khan, what happened?
Unmute your audio, Romana Khan.
Okay, teacher. He got for the freedom of your national. His tools was through and no wines to fight against protest. Babuji to us to be honest and truthful. As speech is not egos to speak about Mahatma Gandhi's greatness, but we honor peace by living our life on his principles. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very good, Romana. You have improved very well, but you need to do a little more work. You have to reach to the level 3. So please do that. I'm missing your, while in expression. So you need to bring it on your face also. The expressions, we should be able to see that, yes, Romana is understanding what she's speaking. Good. Big round of applause for Romana.
Well done, Romana.
Well done, Romana. Thank you so much. Now I would like Yusuf Ali of class 1. Yusuf Ali of class 1 to speak again, to say a few words on Gandhiji. Yusuf Ali. Yes. Stand up, beta.
Gandhi
Stand up.
Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. My name is Muhammad Yusuf Ali Khan. I am studying in 2nd class. Today I am going to tell you Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. He fought for the freedom of our nation against British rule in non-violent protest called as Satyagraha. Thank you.
Very good, Yusuf Ali. I know you got tired. First time you did very well. Anyhow, we have got that recorded one. But now I think you're getting tired. Had your breakfast? Had your breakfast?
Actually, had your breakfast.
तो
Snack बोलो.
हो गया ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया खाना खा लिया आपने सुबह का नहीं प्लीज
Yes, ma'am.
wonderful, you did a very good job. Everybody clap for Yusuf Ali Khan.
Excellent, Yusuf.
Yusuf, thank you
Thank
so
you both.
much.
Thank you.
Yes. Now Ashfaq Ahmed of class 3. Ashfaq Ahmed of class 3. I would like Ashfaq Ahmed of class 3 to speak now. Yes.
Good morning. My name is Syed Ashfaq Ahmed. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869. He was a freedom fighter. He was father of the nation. We called him Bapu. Kavita. बापू भोले भाले हैं, हम सो के रखवाले थे, हमें आजादी दिलाकर स्वयं कष्ट सह जाते थे। हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा नाम करेंगे। जय हिंद।
Amin.
थैंक यू।
Jai Hind. Very good. Good job, Ashfaq. Very good. You have added a poetry also to it. Very good. Give a big round of applause to Ashfaq.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
Ashfaq.
Thank you.
Well done. Thank you, dear parent. Thank you so much.
Thank
Yes. Now I would like Huzaifa Abdulaziz for class 3 of class 3 to speak a few words. Huzaifa Abdulaziz, you didn't get ready. I asked you to get ready. Okay. Come on, start now. Say again. Yes. Say the speech.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He was a sincere man. He never told a lie. He had a pure heart. He made our country free in 1947. He had to go to jail several times. Truth was his greatest power. He was also a lover of non-violence. Gandhiji was one of the greatest men of the world. He is called the father of the nation. We love and admire him. Thank you.
Good job, Huzefa. For your class, आप कितना बड़ा words like admire. You want to say admire him. Anyhow, you have tried your level best. Try to improve your level, but you have brought up very good aspects. What Huzefa said is Gandhiji never told lie. And I know that all the Neo Rosary and all my students today, I know you will never lie in your life, okay? Lying is prohibited. Even our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has also said, a successful person is one who always speaks the truth, okay? A big round of applause for Huzaifa.
Good job, Uzefa.
Very good,
Thank you,
Josefa.
teacher.
Well done.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so much. Yes, now I would like Abdullah Khan of class 2. Abdullah Khan of class 2. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, you have to speak a few words on Gandhi ji, beta. Come on. Wear your specs, hold your stick, and say it.
Dear Gandhi ji.
Wear your specs, Baba.
Happy Gandhi ji. Beat the challenge you want to is in the world. Mahatma Gandhi ji. Thank you.
Good. What happened to you? You were the one who narrated the story so well in your lower class. This is, his name is not displayed. Who is this, Asma?
Rumana Khan's brother, ma'am, Abdullah Khan.
Abdullah Khan. No, yeah. Abdullah Khan, you have to work a little more on the reading skills, beta, and you should be able to read and speak in your own words. But it's a good attempt. Big round of applause for Abdullah Khan. Everybody clap for him. Good.
Thank you so much. Now, Wajahat of class 1. I would like Wajahat of class 1. Wajahat.
I think Wajahat is not able to join with the audio. I don't know what his problem is. Wajahat, I think you have to rejoin beta. Till then, you can call the others. If we have, do we have? Wajahat, you please exit and join back again with the audio.
I want to speak.
Madiha Kausar or Mahira Kausar? Yes, please. Mahira Kausar of class 2. Very good. Please.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum Assalam.
Today's
Yes, start.
topic is Mahatma Gandhi.
Hmm.
He was born on October 2nd in 1869 in Porbandar. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His freedom in the great freedom fighter of the freedom fighter of the nation. He is non-violence activities. He is the father of the nation. His ways of the Holsters rule. Gandhi birth on October 2nd. Thank you.
Good job, Mahira Kausar. But again, I would love to tell your mummy, is your mummy there? Who, mummy, daddy, जो भी आपको speech लिख के दिए हैं, please do see that you write them in the simple words which Mahira can speak and understand. Okay, but I am glad that you could read out so big words also of your age. A big round of applause for Mahira Kausar, please. Clap, clap for her.
Very good,
Thank you,
Mahira. Very
teacher.
good.
Very good,
Welcome.
Mahira.
Yes, Madiha Kausar, you are the next one. You are ready, beta? Come.
Yes,
Madiha
ma'am.
Kausar, yes, start. Yes.
Hello, my name is Madhya Kausar and I am in class 4. Today's activity is Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the first of the father of the nation. Gandhi is freedom fighter. Gandhi birth on October 2nd. He is born on in October 2nd in 1869 in Porbandar. He is believed in non-violence activities. His way of fighting was satyagraha. He taught be a honest and truthful. Thank you.
Very good,
Very good, Madhya.
good message. Honesty and truth is the key to success. So you all take a oath. You'll always remain honest and speak truth. Good. Big round of applause for her.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Principal ma'am.
Yes, you're most welcome. I would like Alisha Vase of class 1. Alisha Vase of class 1 now.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Camera should face you. And again, you have to say a few words on Gandhi ji. Beta. Come on, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alisha Vasasufi. I am studying class 1. My school name is New Rosary High School. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebration on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi also Babu and father of a nation. Mahatma Gandhi was a great and freedom fighter. Thank you.
Mashallah, Alisha was a shy little doll last year who would not face the camera, but today I find her speaking in front of the camera, looking everybody. A big round of applause for Alisha.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, Alisha, you have done very well, very well. Thank you, dear parent. Thank you so much for helping your child. Yes, now I would like Wajahat of class 1. Wajahat, are you connected, Baba? No, still not connected.
But
So,
please, you can leave the group and then join back with the audio. I think you have not joined with the audio. That's the reason you're facing problems. Is that all?
okay.
So what are we going
No, ma'am. We would like to hear Alisha,
Yes.
Alina Vase once more. We would like to hear Alina Vase.
Alina Vase we have not heard. Yes. We want Alina Vase also.
Alina Vase, after that, Wajahat is joining. It's good. Otherwise, end. Okay. Yes. Alina Vase, yes. Please start, beta.
Good morning, my respectable principal, teachers, and my dear. I am
Alina, can you
today to speak
Alina, please?
a few words
You
about
come in between in the center so that you are covered. Very good. Now you start. Good, good, good. Start now.
Good morning, respectable principal, teachers, and my dear friend. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of the nation, and people lovely called him Bapu or father. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He studied law at the University of London. He helped India to get independence for British rule. Under his guidance, we became free on 15th August 1947. True and ahimsa were the guiding principle of his life. Gandhi ji gave famous slogans like "Do or die." Even today, people remember Mahatma Gandhi for his great and incredible work. He was killed by Nathuram on 30 January 1948. Thank you.
Very good. A big round of applause for Alina. I'm happy to see your reading skills. You have improved a lot, but you have to move to level 4. So next time I would like to see you speaking. Okay, you can read from the book, but in between you have to look towards the camera, look towards us, and then, show some expressions that you are understanding what you're speaking, right? A good round of applause for Alina, please.
Excellent job, Alina.
Yes, well done, Alina. Yes, Wajahat is ready with us now.
Collected very good.
Wajahat, I can see you. Yes, come on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vajana Faruqi. I'm in first class, New Rosary School. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October.
Gandhiji was born on
Gandhiji was born on
2nd October
1869. 1869.
He
is
father of our nation.
He is father of our nation.
He
fought
through
non-violence.
His slogan was Satyamev Jayate.
Satyamev Jayate.
This is my
small
tribute
to
the freedom he gave us. Thank you.
Wow, Wajahat, anyhow, I don't know what happened to you. You are not looking very fresh today, dull. Mummy has to help you, but you are a very good student. Okay, for today, you will again get opportunities in the next celebrations. Be ready. and you have done a good job. I liked your attire, and you have even used specs, but this is not Gandhiji's specs. Your specs were around. But anyhow, I liked your speaking. Next time, see you coming well prepared, okay? A big round of applause for Wajahat, please.
Very good, Wajahat. Well done. Superb. Thank you, dear parent, for helping out the child. And this is the end of our
I'm
program.
really sorry, but he learned in just 5 minutes, Mama. So I had to help him.
That is what, in a short notice. And I just wanted to make an announcement. My mother is the chairman of our Nabila Educational Society in Rosary, and from her, she has offered, and she will be giving a 500 rupees cash prize to the best participant. So to get the best participants, I am leaving it to the parents and the teachers to give points, and based upon your points, we are going to select that student as a best student of today and send us your account number so that the cash prize is forwarded to you. Asma teacher will give you in detail about how you have to give marks to the students, and the one who is getting the highest points will be getting this award. Thank you very much, dear parents, for helping out your children. It was impossible without your cooperation. And Asma teacher and Asia teacher for your great efforts. Thank you so much. Pray for my mother and for everyone around us, and celebrate your day.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Fees.
Bye. Allah Hafiz.
We'll be getting a because your participation itself is great. You all have participated. You all will be getting participation certificate, and the winner will be getting a cash prize of 500 rupees. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining us.
Madam.
Thank you.